Rey Mestyrio!
The cell, the Hell in the Cell's the Undertaker's yard. And the Undertaker, that's his game, man. That's his deal. Brock Lesnar, in my professional opinion, he's in trouble. And Heyman and Lesnar know it's not the place you want to be with the Undertaker.
Benoit continuing the pressure on Rey Mysterio.
On the back of the kidneys. And that's where the mask is a problem. Benoit using the mask like it's hair and just snap-marrying him into the surfboard-like maneuver.
It's pretty apparent to me earlier on, Taz, that Brock Lesnar and Paul Heyman had a plan. That plan was to take out The Undertaker to ensure there would never be a return match at No Mercy.
Backfired.
It did backfire. They did break The Undertaker's hand. But now Brock Lesnar's going into a match that he knows nothing about.
But Undertaker's a wounded animal. He's a wounded man. Sometimes when a guy's wounded, he gets more vicious. Sometimes he lays down. Undertaker, he ain't laying down. He's going to come into No Mercy. What a blaze.
And you've known Paul Heyman for a long time. Have you ever seen Heyman as concerned as he looked when Stephanie broke the news to him?
I've seen him concerned about a lot of things. But not this concerned. Full Nelson.
Look at this. Rey Mysterio.
Oh, wow. Well, right there, earlier we see Mysterio counter that wheelbarrow.
Here's the cover by Benoit on Mysterio, and a kick out by Rey.
We see Mysterio counter that wheelbarrow for a bulldog, but right there, Benoit nailing that wheelbarrow back suplex.
You think some frustration beginning to build now in Benoit?
No, I
thought
don't.
He had the 3 count. He just screamed at referee Mike Chioda.
That's what Benoit does. He screams. He's angry. He's a miserable, angry man. And that's what I love about Chris Benoit.
And Benoit just turned Mysterio inside out. And here's the cover. Rolling Mysterio up and a kick out.
Stacking Mysterio, putting all his weight of his lower body on his chest and neck. Tough to kick out of.
Gotta love the resilience and the guts of Rey Mysterio.
No doubt about that.
But what about the guts of Chris Benoit? The return from a serious neck injury after a year, and Benoit looks better than ever, and Mysterio with a counter.
Right in the jaw with that drop kick. You pointed out the neck surgery of Benoit. Benoit hasn't missed a beat since he's back, and Mysterio didn't miss a beat on that big new-kick drop kick.
Yeah, he's snapping Benoit's neck back. Benoit to his feet. Mysterio up as well. And look at the right hand by Mysterio. Mysterio can find an opening right here in this match.
Mysterio bringing those right hands. Switch.
Off the second rope. And Benoit caught him in midair.
He's in trouble. Mysterio's in trouble.
Benoit off the turnbuckle. And a heel kick to the chin.
Spinning heel kick.
And Mysterio, kick to the chin.
Man, that just nailed Benoit, but dead in the jaw.
Now Mysterio rolling Benoit over. And Rey positioning Chris Benoit.
Who the hell knows what Mysterio's going to do here? He
As he goes to the top rope.
Springboard moonsault.
Here's the cover. Hook to the legs. 2, 3. Benoit got the shoulder up. Following a spectacular springboard moonsault, Mysterio thought he had